The All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amwju President Bijoy Kakchingtabam said that renaming of Mount Harriet to Mount Manipur and Mount Manipur National Park was the result of 2003 journalists' tour to Andaman Island conducted 2024 journalist tour to Andaman Island conducted by Amwju. Bijoy Kakchingtabam stated this during the press tour of Amwju female journalists to Mount Manipur, marking 21 years of Amwju's press tour to the island. The tour is being participated by 11 executive members of Amwju, 11 female journalists, and 2 officials of DIPR. The delegates paid homage to the 23 political prisoners of the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891 and also observed a 1-minute silence in honor of victims of the Manipur violence that erupted on May 3. We bring you a report on the Amwju Press Tour 2024 to Andaman Island from SK Television News Editor Kakchingtabam, Sub-Editor Gitanjali Haigrujam, and video journalist Victoria Rajkumari.
We left Imphal for this tour on March 16 and reached here on 21st March, that is yesterday. And yesterday itself, upon reaching here, that is Port Blair, we visited Cellular Jail and where we witnessed a light and sound show depicting the historical significance of the political prisoners. Right now, I'm standing on top of Mount Harriet, now officially known as Mount Manipur, where 23 freedom fighters were imprisoned here after the defeat of Anglo-Manipur War in 1891.
Matamnudadi lambi khasi sumai semdrida yum jono boyam sarame adagi sumaina garden type daga semame matamnudi thimana phajana semdri leidi kharadi dum leire ado su sumaina am phajana develop to muti tawdri aduga matamda koi yawana la adu khongna su kara egypt su kadi maun here sidi koi kona koina koi gi halamaji maras kula chandra aduga maga samina kiba mi singdu thibada cellular je da phangakta kanda sigi halamana khulgi local halamana koi gi manipur gi lamba kangbu dudi koi india gi ningdam lan haigada ningdam gi agitation da yawunate political prisoner namadi British Commissioner ki residency manakta quarter ma saraga da thamani modi lan phawna thama kanona nate na harapda ko sidamula aga amuk thirabani quarter da ko khara kumdaraga thibatam da yumbam khara leramba ko chala yengmatam da maroin nakupi khara horamba adagi tulasi pambi khara horamba adagi masi ko hanjingna thabo rangani namdi ko gi manipur gi bete singju hindu dharma chala kanda tulasi si lai oina ningna ba yahorak pada tulasi udi phaiga na khala sumang da thana matam dina moina lebo orangani na khala kanda mafam du orangani na ko observe to rumbai wani ko gi khongsa gi papers di ko na 2003 da sakhiba khongsa do visit ado remember to bugal loina na ko na mafam si Mount Manipur na law to khram matung da kari develop to rage ko gi oiba kari sagal abage kari to bage hana ko yengba lakpari mafam si budi develop to re adu ko gi oiba matam du gi ni thausinga lerambagi kari gi memorial ma sabi ha bidi hoji bok saramdri basi so ai atu matam da hoji ki leri bam su lakada sarkar na pangthok pirakani na ikhali
Yam nungai ngasi concert si tasengnamakki di akoi honorable CM na date 16 da under the sponsorship of DIPR akoi trip se maruina nupi ngaktagi ko nupi singna litoro kan da haitare akoi unsung heroes Maharaja Kulachandra higher ranking officers and executive members of adu matam dugi ko including Senapati Angau Sanayau na sida transportation torokibudo isagi site gi the brave souls haina haining moi singdo adu singdo kalapani da leiramdre sigi Mount Harriet oina laikhibani adu su political imprisonment oina samna hair kan 1500 kilometers far away from Manipur adu la akana nupi singsina yan hanbo oina tribute pizaba adu su sida handaki huji akoi Manipur da chathariba yam nungai taba community ani gi class da laikidaba mayam su ikai khumnabo utpo oina condolence minute amagi pangthoga adagi mafam du da phangba even yongchak pambi yauna nupi mayam gi khongsat ni na kundo pambi su yaure thajaba phangba adagi mayam da ikai khumnabo utpat phangba si yam laibak phaba yam itihassic oiba khongsat ni haijage akoi gi profession sidasu yamna ikai khumba utchaninge.
As we observe today the Remembrance Day of 21 years of knowing the whereabouts of freedom fighters of Manipur, we have successfully planted some saplings from Manipur. And when these trees grow tall and high, anyone coming from Manipur can instantly identify that, yes, this is the place where 23 freedom fighters, the unsung war heroes of Manipur, were imprisoned. With fellow journalists Kakchingtabam and Gitanjali Haigrujam, this is Victoria Rajkumari reporting for SKTV, Mount Manipur, Andaman Island.